Here's how to permanently delete your Xbox account on an Android device. You need to close your associated Microsoft account for that. So open your Google Chrome application, go to xbox.com and log into your specific account. Then after, tap on your profile picture icon from the top right corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, go ahead and select View Account option. This will direct you to your Microsoft account page. Now tap on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, go ahead and select your info and scroll down until you find the Close Account option and tap on it. This will take you to a new page. Carefully read through the checklist detailing that what will be affected by closing your account. And once you're done, tap on Close Account to confirm. Again, scroll down, tap on Next. Check this box for everything here and then tap on Selected Region. Tap on Mark Account for Closure. In some cases, you might need to verify your email address. A verification code will be sent to the email and you need to retrieve the code, enter it in the provided field and tap on Next. Then follow the remaining on-screen instructions to finalize the account closure process. And once the account is closed, you can reopen this account, preventing the closure by signing in back within the 30 days of deletion. To reopen, you'll need to prove your identity using your current account security information. And this account will be permanently deleted after 60 days, which will permanently close your account, meaning that you'll be unable to reopen it and you'll lose all the access to your account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.